Going days without YouTube can really change a person. Just kidding. What is up, YouTube? It's the Autograph Joker. I am back in action. I know I've been away for a long time. Some of you are wondering, why was he gone for a long time? What happened to him? Did he die? But no, I did not die. I am back. And just want to make this video on Thanksgiving to say happy Thanksgiving to all you guys. I'm thankful for having a great YouTube community, and thankful for a lot more things. But I just quickly want to make this vid to show you guys that I am back, and to later on today, well, I don't know, probably tomorrow, because I'll be hanging out with family today. So probably tomorrow I'll have a recap vid on all the tons and tons and tons of TTMs that came in the mail while I was off of YouTube. But yeah, I'll update you guys on what's been going on. So again, happy Thanksgiving, and I am back in action. Alright, peace out, YouTube.